Hello, in this video we look at the Nigerian paper called Mathematics Objective Question number 5, and it says that express 413 in base 7 to a number in base 5. So we have 413 which is in base 7 here. So how do we convert this to base 5? So we want to change this to base 5. Before we start, if today is your first time on my students class channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be promptly informed anytime we upload a new video. And hey, one more thing, click the like button so that the video can reach a lot of people. Thank you. Now let's continue. That is what we will do. We will first convert this to base 10 because it is very easy to work in base 10. Then after converting to base 10, we will now convert to base 5 here. Now, so let's take it again. 413 in base 7. So to convert it to base 10, we will be picking the individual digits and multiply them by the base here, 7. So we will say 4 times the 7. So that is the first one here. Then we pick the second one, that is 1 times 7. So that is the second one here. Then the last one, we have 3 times 7. Now, after doing that, we will raise the base to a power starting from the right hand side here. This will be to the power 0, this will be to the power 1, and this will be to the power 2. Now, one thing that you have to take care here is that many students make mistakes. They put the power on the numbers. Now we put the power on the base because the base is constant throughout, so we put the power on the base here. Now let us do some simplification here. So here we have 4 times 7 to the power 2 is 49, 49. Then we have 1 times 7, 7. Then in indices, any number reached the power 0 is 1. So here we have 3 times 1 here. All right, so 4 times 49, what will it be? I think that should be 196 here. Then we have plus 7. We have plus 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, so 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 196, that should be 206 here. All right, so what we have here is in base 10, but we are to find a number which is in base 5 but not in base 10. So we are now going to convert from base 10 to a smaller base. If we are converting from a bigger base to a smaller base, we divide, because to make something smaller you have to divide. Of course, when we were converting from base 7 to base 10, which is a bigger base, to make something bigger you multiply. So that was why we were multiplying here. Okay, so now that we are converting from base 10 to a smaller base, we have to divide. So we do this, we put 5 here, then we put 206 here. All right, so how many times does 5 go into 206? I'm going to pick it one after the other. 5 cannot get go into 2, so I'll add 0. So 5 goes into 20 4 times, and 5 goes into 6 1, remainder 1. So the whole of this 5 goes into 206 41, remainder 1. Okay, can 5 still go into 41? Of course it can. And here that is very simple. 5 8 48, sorry 5 8 40, sorry. So 5 goes into 41 8 times, then remainder 1 here too. Can 5 also go into 8? Of course yes. So I have to continually divide the number by 5 until I get a number that 5 cannot divide to get a whole number. So 5 goes into 8 one time, and that will be remainder 3. And 5 goes into 1, that is not possible, so we write 0, then we bring the 1 here. We read the answer from the bottom up. So we start from here, we have 1, then we add 3, we add 1, then we add 1. So this is in base 5. So the final answer is 1311 in base 5. 1311 in base 5, and that is the option B.